Hi, you're welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add money to your ad accounts. So there are two ways to do this. I'm going to be showing you that here. You want to come to your settings on your Instagram. From your settings, you can come here to payments, go to add payments and payment method. Then you want to add funds here. So this is a prepaid ad account if you are not aware. I'm sure I have a video on how you can create one, but if I don't have a video yet, I'm going to create one very soon. Just let me know in the comment section if you're interested, and I'll do that sooner than later. So you want to come here to add funds, then you want to choose pay you. Put in the amount here and you choose pay you. For example, let's say it's 45 you want to add. You come here and choose pay you, not debit or credit card, because this is a prepaid ad account. Choose pay you. If you're in Nigeria, you're aware that our debit card has been having issues. There's a policy on it, a $20 limit policy on our card. You can't use your card for anything more than $20 right now if you're in Nigeria. So don't choose debit or credit card. You want to choose Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa. Then you choose next. Sorry, you tap on next. It takes you here to where you can add money. You tap on continue. Put in your card details. If you have a Visa card, a MasterCard, or a Verve card. This particular ad account I choose now is not the one I want to fund right now. So I'm going to show you the second method using the right ad account that I want to fund. But once you follow this process and you tap on pay, it takes you to where you're supposed to put in your OTP. That's your one-time password. Then your money, the money that you fund is going to reflect here. I'm going to show you that properly in the second method, because sometimes there's always a glitch here on Instagram, so you want to go through another route. So the other route is through your Ads Manager app. So this is Ads Manager app here. Go to Ads Manager app, you choose the ad account you want to fund. I manage this ones. I'll choose the particular one I want to fund. So this one, I want to fund this one right now. So I chose it already. Then you want to come to settings. Then you come to payments. I'm here to add funds. So I want to fund it with 20,000 naira. And I choose pay you. Done. Next. Then you tap on continue. Card number, card holder name, and pay. So an OTP is going to be sent right now. So you can see now your transaction was successful. So now if you go back to your ads manager, you see that the money is going to reflect here. So right now it's still showing 3,000 naira. By the time I go back and come back here, you see that the money has reflected. So let's just do that and you see it. Can you see? The money has reflected here. So this is how you add funds to your prepaid ad account. If you have any question, please let me know.